Anyways, I took my pickles off. I don't want pickles on a chicken sandwich. No, thank you.
Okay, what's good, my fellow mobsters? Today we will be doing a Popeyes chicken sandwich eat-up, just because people like Popeyes' videos on chicken.
And because we like to fucking eat, clearly.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow.
I
So,
had to add it.
I have a macaroni, I have onion rings, she has fries in the sandwich, and I also have the sandwich too.
And my pickles on the side.
And a side of sarcasm.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What kind of handshake is that?
I don't know. Okay, can I start?
Ready?
Alright, so they started.
Huh?
3, 2, 1, go.
Destiny takes a bite. Brennan engulfs the macaroni. Destiny's going back for more fries. Sure, just kidding. Cheers, mate.
All of them.
Mary Brown's is way harder. It's like hot sometimes where you're like, whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Want to try it, onion rings?
No. I don't know how competitive eaters do this. My jaw is fucking sore, buddy.
I wonder why.
Fuck you.
Fuck, is it just a white screen?
Well, it went black right after, so this is not racist. Dang it. Go see if that's the clock. Go see if that's a fucking clock outside.
Yeah.
Christ.
This isn't illegal anymore.
No, I know.
Is
I'm
it?
doing way better at that than I would.
Okay, Brandon, I have a challenge for you. I want you to rub your stomach and pat your head and say the ABCs.
I'm gonna stomach pat my head. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Z, whatever.
How do you do it backwards?
No, that was pretty good. I'm just trying to give her some handicaps.
Me handicapped to me for it.
Yeah, yeah.
To be fair, it's not far off.
This is the first time I've actually done good against you, bro.
Okay, you can't use your hand for the rest of the burger.
Oh,
Yo, I'm struggling now.
Can they see it?
try to hold up the bed.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, that bite was fucking spicy. Why does it seem like it's closer?
We're getting closer.
Oh. Holy fuck. Are you laughing at my stupid question?
Maybe.
Already lost? I was doing so good. Like he's got like power stance trying to fucking chug his shit.
Did you both get spicy?
Yeah.
Oh.
It tastes like shit. Look, look.
Did you? Oh, yeah. You have to cover.
I don't think I'm gonna finish this.
So what's your rank from 1 to 10?
5. That was a chicken sandwich.
Yeah, okay.
I'm
Well,
fucking crazy. I hallucinate, and that bite tasted like a fucking chicken ball from Chinese food.
I like pennies.
well,
Thank you.
we're gonna do the ER and deliver my food baby to the toilet.
Did you already finish all your fries?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had onion rings, so I had like 3 times more. But yeah.
Now chug a bottle of hot sauce.
Oh my god.
Already done.
Oh, I got heartburn already.
Got you a new video. Get them 100 likes on this and you have to chug a bottle of hot sauce.
Okay. On the legs and not chug hot sauce. The bomb.
Oh, don't even say that.
like 50 people gonna see this. Not everyone's gonna like the video. Anyway, get me to 500 subscribers so I can shave my head and wax my eyebrows.
All body.
Sure, I'll body. You can wax my ass if you want.
All wax.
But yeah, anyway.
Wait, bro, I'm just still